there's a philosophy in web development. New browser technologies cannot break old websites. Once a site has been built with stable web standard technologies, it should continue to work forever. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript have evolved quite a bit. We're currently on HTML version 5, hence the 5 there, and we're also on CSS version 3, notice the 3, and we usually call these HTML5 and CSS3. Each new version has added new features to the markup languages, but few, if any at all, features have been removed. So, any website written for browsers in 94 or 95, or really any time, should look exactly the same on browsers developed in 2016. As a result of adding more and more features to these languages, there are lots of ways to solve problems on the web. And here are just a few that you'll be learning about soon. But over time, best practices change. But that doesn't mean that yesterday's best practices just stop working overnight. Part of being a web developer is staying up to date and being able to discern old from new, or last year's gold standard from tomorrow's tech. Now, to be fair, with these examples in particular, all of these are very, very valid ways to develop websites, but there are some differences and some features are newer than others. In fact, web technologies are constantly changing. New ones are popping up all the time, and even the stable ones are changing on a scale of weeks, it seems like. And as I said before, we can't possibly teach you everything that there is to know about the World Wide Web's technologies. Instead, we want to teach you how to stay up to date. We want you to develop opinions about new technologies as they come out, and we want you to keep learning so that you keep having fun and you keep building websites.